With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. For the system shown in the figure, M1 is more than M2 is more than M3 is more than M4. The system is at rest and in equilibrium condition if the string joining the M4 and the ground is cut. Then just after the string is cut, you have to check out of these statements which statement is the correct one. So let's understand the concept. If the string will be cut, what will happen? What will happen? Here the tension force was there. Just after cutting the string, the tension force will become 0. Okay. So what will happen if the tension force will become 0? If you see here, there is a extension in the string. Extension in the spring. It will not change spontaneously. Will not change spontaneously. So what will happen if it will not change? If here the spring force extension is same, so here the spring force, let's say Fs, the both will be same. Here also the condition will remain the same, let's say Fs dash. And this, let's say here also all the condition will be same. In short, nothing will change except the force on this M4. On M4, what will happen? On M4, this tension force will become 0, which was earlier not 0, right? So this M4 will start accelerating. It will accelerate. Because here, just after cutting the string, the net force on the M4 is in downward direction, and all the other 3 blocks will be having the same condition as that of the earlier. So if you see here, M1, M2, M3 will remain stationary as earlier, right? Earlier also they were stationary, now also they will remain stationary. The value of acceleration of all the 4 blocks can be determined. Yes, you can determine the value of forces. As I already told you, these 3 blocks are stationary. And if you see earlier, this block was having 0 acceleration. Now what will be the acceleration in this? If you see earlier also these 3 block was in equilibrium. Now if you see here, the spring force will be balancing the weight of the 2, that is M1 plus M2 into G, right? This will be M1 plus M2 into G. So here if you see, if the spring force is this, so here the tension force will be the same, right? Here the tension force, that is also the spring force, it will be M1 plus M2 into G. So we are going from this end to this end, right? So in this way you can get the acceleration of the system. Now here also the net force is 0 on this. So in downward direction M3 is acting, so you can get this Fs. Fs will be F dash minus this M3G. So as you get the Fs, you can get this acceleration of the 4th block. All the 3 block is stationary. M1, M2, M3 are stationary. You can get the force on this, right? So let's get the force. Let's get the net force on M4. Then we'll get the acceleration also. Fs will be equals to minus M3G. Alright, is it clear? Right. So if you see, as you got the Fs, here the M4G will act in downward direction and Fs will be acting in upward direction now. So Fs will remain the same, and it is, if you put the value, it is M1 plus M2 minus M3. So basically you can get, right? If you see here, it is Fs, that is same as that of the earlier. It is M1 plus M2 minus M3 into G, and here it is M4G. So you can get the acceleration, right? finding the net force, it will be this minus this by m. So yes, statement 2 is also true. No, it will not be stationary. Only M4 will accelerate. So 1, 2, 4 are the correct options. So B here is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.